Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
I was discovered many centuries ago in the mountains of Mexico, where cold winds blow. I flourished when I was taken to Spain. From the Swedish botanist Andres Dahl, I got my name. From the family of asters I hail. I'm resistant to rainy weather and strong gale. I was first grown for my tubers as a food crop, but now I'm a must in every flower shop. I'm the national flower of Mexico. From early spring to early fall, I can grow. I'm the official flower of Seattle City. You'll be wonderstruck seeing my diversity. I'm tiny or big as a dinner plate in size. My plant may be just 1 foot or 6 feet in height. My petals may be laid in a single or numerous rows. So delicate and pretty, the star of all flower shows. I'm quite medicinal and delicious too. My tubers and petals are added to salads and stews. For my bright colors, I'm used as a dye. I'm a perennial herb. What flower am I? Oh, delightful Dahlia, our world you beautify.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.